To update a DigitalOcean VPC, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the VPC section. Here you will see a list of all your existing VPCs. Click on the three dots next to the VPC you want to update and select Edit. In the Edit screen, you can update the VPC name and description. The name and description are used to identify the VPC in the control panel. You can also update the VPC IP range. But be aware that changing the IP range will affect all resources in the VPC. When updating the IP range, make sure to use a valid private IP range that does not overlap with any other VPCs or networks in your account. You can also add or remove IP ranges. But be aware that removing an IP range will affect all resources that are using that range. After making the necessary changes, click Save to apply the updates. The update process may take a few seconds to complete. Once the update is complete, the VPC will be updated and all resources in the VPC will be using the new IP range. It is also important to note that some resources, such as droplets and load balancers, may need to be restarted or reconfigured after the VPC update. Make sure to test all resources after the update to ensure they are working as expected. Best practices for updating a DigitalOcean VPC include making sure to test all resources after the update and using a valid private IP range that does not overlap with any other VPCs or networks in your account. It is also recommended to make a backup of your resources before making any changes to the VPC. In conclusion, updating a DigitalOcean VPC is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can update your VPC and ensure that all resources are working as expected. Remember to test all resources after the update and follow best practices to avoid any downtime or issues.